Wheel hub bearings bear the weight of your vehicle and ensure a smooth ride. It affects your fuel efficiency and is a major component of your ABS braking system. With your safety in mind, Kugel bearings have been designed to perform even in the roughest driving conditions. Made of highly resistant steel, Kugel bearings have high-capacity balls for maximum resistance to shocks, premium quality grease, high tensile raceways that provide superior load-bearing capabilities, and multi-lipped seals to prevent contamination and increase durability. Each bearing was developed by engineers and precision-built in industry-certified manufacturing facilities using the most advanced manufacturing technology for unmatched quality on the market. Our state-of-the-art testing facilities allow us to simulate real-world stresses on bearing surfaces to stay at the forefront of innovation. Your mechanic can testify from experience to the value of Kugel bearings because our quality rate is among the highest on the market. Also, each Kugel bearing comes with a torque specification sheet in the box that installers can refer to during installation for a longer service life. A lot of care is put into each orange box because we know that what will rest on our bearings is of the utmost importance to you. Look for the orange box.